Now, my favorite part about Save Club is I'm not really pushing a product like selling shampoo or conditioner or haircuts, obviously. All right, I'm not selling one of these things you put in your hair to do a ponytail or maybe a little Hummer Hot Wheel. All right, and I love buying little things, that's for sure. Especially Eddie Van Halen. I bought the Eddie Van Halen little Funko Pop doll. I have a lot of fun just buying crazy things, and you can kind of see on the back of my head here on my wall that it's pretty evident that I'm into trinkets and nonsense. But when it comes down to what is Save Club, it's almost too good to be true for someone like me that is going to be buying stuff anyway each month. And the best way that I figured out, how am I going to save? I got out this. It's a checkbook, and I still fill it out. I'm not going to show you everything, but you can see I still have, like if I use my debit card, credit card, and I can also go online. But, here I'll just kind of go like this so you guys can't see all my nonsense. Most of it's buying stupid toys, which is funny. But when I got out my checkbook and then I went ahead and got online to my bank, what I did is I can see what my spending habits are for months and months and months and months. I went back 6 months, and I think my bank goes back a year. But I just kept going back going, oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So, obviously Walmart, that's a no-brainer. I have Sirius XM. Okay, I can save money. And the only thing that I really saved a lot of money on was tires. I needed to buy all these tires for vehicles that I have. And Discount Tire was there. And some other tire stores too. But just for me here in Salt Lake City, Discount Tire is massive. It's all over the United States. But, oh my gosh. And then Purple Mattress, they have these expensive mattresses, but to save $300 on one of those dumb things, I'm like, okay, I think I'm going to buy one. Just so I feel a little better when I sleep. I'm almost 60, so I thought, well, maybe upgrade my mattress a little bit. So that way I lay in the dark, squinting, watching my cell phone and text it and trying to burn out my eyes and get up to go pee 50 times. I thought, well, maybe if I have a better mattress, I'll feel more refreshed in the morning after waking up 50 times to go pee. But anyway, to save money, awesome. To save $900 the first 36 days was mind-blowing. And it keeps escalating. I'm actually over that now because now and then I got to eat and I got to drink. And it's fun for me to just go, hey, boom, here's my cell phone screen. And then the restaurant takes off like $5, $10. And I'm not talking high-end places. I'm talking Burger King, Subway. I got to be honest. No one ever accused me of eating high-end. Look, I got Gene Simmons a Kiss cereal, but I do have oatmeal right below. And then I got Metamucil cookies. So I can poop like a racehorse or a cow or a pig or whatever goes poop a lot. Is it rabbits? So, yeah, I buy almost the exact same thing even at Walmart or when I go food shopping. It's funny. And I can't wait when we have like utilities. And a couple of days ago, our founder said, yeah, we're going to get gasoline, diesel. And that is my massive expense. Oh my gosh, I go through gas like crazy because I have real big trucks and trailers and everything else. And I get about 8 to 9 to the gallon. My Hummers get about 7. Today I'm driving my 454 crew cab dually. That gets about 9, maybe, yeah, about 9 to the around town and 10 maybe on the freeway. But boy, when Save Club starts getting gas deals, gasoline and diesel, holy mackerel. I don't even care if I save $5 here, $10 there. It adds up. But getting back to my original point, when I talk about Save Club, this is just saving me money. And when I offer you the deal, just to, hey, take a look, it's only $19.97 a month, $20 minus 3 pennies. And if you're saving more than that, $50, $100 a month, are you going to get rid of Save Club? No. And this is going to be worldwide. We're only on day number, boom, let me put 4 fingers up. That's right, guys, 4. We're only on day 4 of debuting this. We did a pre-launch for 30 days, but I've already got 100 people signed up, and my downline are finding people that want to participate because you're not selling them something. You're not selling them stupid shampoo or conditioner like a vacation package. This is where, hey, You're going to save money. Yeah, but I can save on Groupon and Priceline and Orbitz and everything else. I'm like, yeah, but this is a brand new approach where everything is online. Our deals are already beating Priceline and Orbitz. You can just go online, vacation, travel, and hotels, just pretend. And what I like about Safe Club is it shows the competition how much you can lock in on their pricing. Then you look at Safe Club, my God, in 4 days, we're already beating the top competitors. Imagine in the next month or two when we have thousands and thousands of more people. And then in a year from now, we'll have millions of deals worldwide and millions of members. And yes, we're coming to China. We're going to Asia, Malaysia, Philippines. We're going to France, to Australia, down under, New Zealand, New Guinea. Yes, Brazil. We're coming. Iceland, Greenland. Oh my gosh, if you got a city or a business or a service, Save Club is going to be there. This is a worldwide investment. $20 a month. So when you're traveling and vacationing, you need right now Lyft is there. If you need a lift to the airport, we have all flight plans. We have tons of hotel deals just about everywhere. All right. Food you got to eat. I mean, flowers. Is there Memorial Day and Mother's Day and a lot of cool things coming up. 1-800-FLOWERS I was just looking at the other day. But pizza, you like pizza? I know I do. All this stuff I'm throwing out because when I looked at my little check register mixed with my online, and then I can just remember what I buy, and then I look at my mini fridge and my little drinks and everything else, the equation called saving money mixed with Walmart, because I notice I go to a Walmart a lot, like for shirts and hats and underwear, right down to these damn things. I think they're called energy drinks, and I know they're bad for you, but so's getting up. And so's crossing the street naked, clucking like a chicken, blindfolded at noon. But you know what? We drink what we drink, we do what we do, and we shop how we're going to shop. Everybody shops different. But I want you to look into Save Club. I really do. It's a badass opportunity. Here's the 2 links that I promote. This is how I've signed up almost 100 people already. ilovesaveclub.com and Save Club Funnels. Now, at the funnel system, look into it. It's $25. And what it does, it puts like salt and pepper on Save Club, hot sauce, puts melted cheese. It just makes it a little more inviting. And I'm having a lot more sign-up success with the funnel. And all it is a page that goes in front of this page. Because when you go to ilovesaveclub.com, you have this page too. Pay $60. You're going to watch this little video. It's just a YouTube video of our founder. Fill in this information right below. Click that orange button. You're going to get an email from Save Club. Open it up and join. Follow the instructions. It's real easy. You're going to go to this website here. Your membership, you can join by the month or the year. If you join by the year, you're VIP. Boom, V and a P. And that means you make bigger commissions. But it's up to you and your budget. Click My Deals right here if you want to search the whole world for deals. It's easy. Information, your order history. It's important, though, to go to training. And that's this page right here. Just look at the guy playing with his ding-a-ling there with his right hand. Hit marketing materials, and you're going to download tons of video and pictures that we have already provided. And you're going to get it built in for the $60. All these marketing materials, they are yours. Because we know if you don't know what you're doing, how to do a video, how to make a video, how to even make a picture, how to even make a post, well, follow the marketing materials. It's in the training tab. Go into My Earnings, and right there, you're going to figure out how you want to get paid every Friday. Here in America, most people just do their bank, but around the world, we have cryptocurrency. We accept crypto, guys. Boom. So there's another plus. Now, when you go to the very bottom of your cell phone or your home computer, it says Pay Plan. Go ahead and hit that, and you can see how we get paid. There's 5 ways. Just scroll, scroll, scroll. And at the bottom of my video, I have a brand new video produced by Save Club where you can watch how we get paid. Because it's easier just to watch. Look at how boring this is. I can't stand reading about the pay plan. I'd rather watch a video with animation and then get excited. But I've made about $1,000 a week. Okay. I've saved about 900 and something with the club membership. And with my funnel system, it's brought in an additional $800-900 already. And this is recurring. I make that money every month. This has nothing to do with Save Club. This is just a little funnel, a little process of a video that goes before people joining Save Club. So go to saveclubfunnels.com. You're going to go to this page. You're going to put in your email here in this white box and hit the yellow button. And this is all the funnel is. It's another 20-minute video that explains Save Club for you. So you don't have to do video. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Let this video do everything. Guys, it is awesome. And if you want to join Save Club after watching it, hit the red button. If you're already in Save Club, just hit this Get New Funnel for 25 bucks. Okay, and if you like it, great. Go ahead and just click this Join Funnel, 25 bucks. You can see we accept Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, and American Express. And then I want you to click this red button so you can join my team. I'm in the biggest team in Save Club by far. We got the best training. We have weekly live Zoom meetings, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we have more training and support just by our crazy members that know how to do all this stuff. We're all helping each other. And I want you to belong to a team. I don't want you to be by yourself, because if you get confused and then you're going to feel like you're embarrassed to get a hold of me or somebody else, don't feel that way. Don't feel that way. Good leaders, and I consider myself a great leader, we like to help our downline. That is why I'm in this business. Because if you make more money, guys, so do I. And if you help people that sign up underneath you make money, you make more money, and so do I. So we all help each other, okay? But I think there's power in belonging to a team. And that's what I think I can bring to the table. Okay, guys, I love saveclub.com, and I want you to look into the Save Club funnels. Okay, that's it. I'm done. So cheers. You guys have a kick-ass day. And if you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys. All right, take care. I'll see you next video.